Hey everybody, how are you? I'm gonna show you today the decor I've been talking about, the western. Do you see that entrance? All that is gonna be the entrance, and I'm planning to decorate it with balloons. I did this before, it was another theme, but now this theme is gonna be western, and I'm gonna use all the balloons that my friend, thank you so much for collaborating with the channel, because I didn't have to buy really any other balloons. All Elizabeth Foster's balloons that you sent, Elizabeth Foster, I'm gonna use it. So right now it's gonna be the fun part to blow and tie, lots of balloons, and this is gonna be cool. Just cover, as an arch, but with a big long garland. So that's what I'm gonna be making. I'm gonna show you. There it goes. So what I came with this time, because I had lots of hours, just this, lots of balloons, plus inflators, these ones, one, and I have another one in case, it hits. And then this is a plug. It's very important, just in case, but I'm gonna use it from there. You see, and there I'm more flexible. Whee! Awesome. And that's it. That's the only thing I bring, because this place have a big ladder. I can use them. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to make a cool video for you guys. Okay, so I'm already inflated lots of balloons, and then I tied it two and then twisted with other two rounds all, and then go and connect it and tie them with the other four, and that's keep growing. So I'm going to show you how it's looking. It's a mess, but that's kind of the idea. Okay, so look, so the way I made is just four, and I'm playing with these colors, and then the little ones are going to be coming out. What is little 5-inch rounds? I have blues, 5-inch rounds, reds, and different color 5-inch rounds that I'm gonna make mini quads or 6, or more. I'm not sure, but then it's gonna go all around the garland. So the way I connect this, it's a cool system. These magnets, you can find it on Amazon, I'm sure. They're super strong, heavy duty. You tie a balloon and that's it. Then you wrap it around. Later you're gonna cover all that with balloons, but it's gonna be helping this garland to keep going all around, because all is metal, which is great for the magnets. Okay, let me see, I'm gonna try to make a video showing you how I'm blow and tie. Okay guys, I don't have a good setup, it's just me with the camera, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Maybe I'm too close, but the idea is to, let me see, blow balloons, and I don't have really much a pattern. And then do this, and then pass this around a couple times too, and then tie it one, or if you want, one more time. Okay, that's pretty much what is connecting to. Then if you want to keep going with that color, great. If it's not, you can change it. For example, these two, these are and I do some air until it's kind of more roundish. Make it like the X idea. Has 1, 2, tied it, and one more time. Okay, and then you have this connected like this, and twist 1, 2, and you keep it whatever you want to keep it, like this, or you want to keep it like this. Like this, it's up to you. So now then you grab another bunch, for example here, and then just add it. See, hello, hi guys. And then you just tied it, and I'm not using any other string, just balloons, so you have to have strong fingers, but it's much more practical. You see, you're faster. And there you go. So then you have all those long garlands thing. Now I'm gonna touch it around, and you'll already explain you how with the magnet system. So I'm gonna do this. Oh, okay. So it's just the round balloons, big ones, and then small 12-inch rounds. The 5-inch rounds are gonna be the last detail. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm gonna start showing you how it is. The system of magnets, it's cool. They're kind of hiding. I don't know if you can see them. For example, I'm using 260 balloons to tie them. You see, you can cover those details, but right now I just want to make sure first the whole garland is covered with 11 or 12-inch rounds and bigger. Then I'm going with the small sizes, I guess 5-inch rounds. Okay? Okay, so look, I have the Garland just all covered with rounds 12, 24, you know, trying the 36, but I don't inflate it that much because this place is very rustic outside. The dust may pop, so I don't want to trust that much. So now I'm gonna blow the small 5-inch rounds, and it's gonna be also covering some areas. But you see, it's a happy Garland with the cow printed. Totally helps to make look this more like a Western theme. Plus all the mylar balloons that are gonna be using too. They're gonna be boots, cowboy hats, and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I attach these things. I'm gonna see if I can film. You see those hats? So they have little 5-inch rounds in order to make a balance, you know. I don't using glue dots because the decor is gonna be ready, but it's gonna stay there for a long time, and I'm not gonna be here. So sometimes the glue dots I don't trust that much. So I'm using this technique. I'm gonna try to film it so then you can see. So it's not a good angle, but it is what it is. Okay, so let me show you. So I have this inflator, and I blow like I already showed you, but with 5-inch rounds, cross it, and then one more. Okay, now I'm going with crumbs. You have the rounds, and then add it together. Now I have 4 and then 2, so that makes 6, and then I tie it around, so I have something like this. It's gonna help me to balance the hat. Okay, so I'm gonna blow. I have cowboy hats, hence this way. You see? So now you can use your manual pump, or what I do is I inflate it with this one, but I have this from another premium inflator, my first balloon inflator. So I just use this as to put it in here to inflate it, and this goes all the way here like this, and then I'm gonna attach it right there to the inflator. And then I'm going to inflate the rest with my manual pump. So I kind of regulate the air for something more, you know, regular temperature. That way the balloons will last longer. So now I'm just giving an extra inflation here. And you have to kind of like start losing the wrinkles in the mylar, and that's pretty much when it's ready. It may pop, but if you're afraid like me, you don't have to inflate all the way, just something that like this. I feel it's okay. That's it. Now I grab a 260 balloon and I do this, look, and twist, and then tie it. Okay, 2 times or 3, and then with this long string, you want to attach it into here. Okay, pass it around, so then you have something to play in a moment. And then at the end, in this side, you're going to attach another type of 5-inch rounds. It can be silver, it can be any color. So I have silver, I'm going to go with silver, or it can be any other color you've been using. So I'm playing with lots of different balloons because that was my intention. Use all the balloons I have with me to make it colorful. So I have these ones. I cannot pretty much repeat, you know. This is how I do it. Let me find this. If you want to save time, you can always organize the sizes, because when you get these kits, it can all mix it. But at the end, it's not that much. I have a lot of time. Okay, you have 2, and then you twist it like this. It is a lot of repetition. That's why I love more balloon twisting at parties than doing this, but it's also part of the job. I'm gonna find 2 more. And when I touch this, the other side, you can even make bigger the garland. So I'm adding 2 more. So then it looks better. You see, sizes doesn't matter organic garland. So look, doesn't matter much. I'm just touching it. Grab these 4 and 4 this time, and I just pass it like this, and that's it. So then the end of this, remember this part is gonna grab it, pass this around, and I'm creating something cool attaching to the garland. So I'm tying it right now, so you have all this to pass it around. I wish you can see. I'm gonna see if I can put the camera this way, but probably there's gonna be, I'm gonna see if I put it here in this table, so you're not gonna be able to hear me, but you're gonna see the whole process. So I'm gonna go all the way there. Okay, so there is the hat, and now I think I have boots, so I'm gonna start inflating more, but that's kind of the idea I've been doing with the mylar balloons. You see mylars? That's how I've been attaching them. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, it's done. This is what it is, and that's it. I spent like 3 hours from 0. So I think that's enough, because I had to go. And that's kind of sometimes the problem. You don't know when to stop, you know? At least that's what happened to me, because I like to feel, but I think it covers, you know, crazy, all these balloons. Thank you again, Elizabeth Foster, for sending balloons, because thanks to you, I've been able to, you know, make this cool, awesome Western theme garland. I think it's cute. Both sides looks great. My favorite is the other side, but yeah, now I'm gonna take pictures, probably a TikTok, in order to make it for my social media. So this is, you know, something probably you can charge $400, I'm sure. Okay, so depending your area, you can go between 300 to even more. So, because you see, you're getting mylars, chromes, so that's a lot of an amount, you know, it's more expensive, those chromes and mylars. There you go. Have a wonderful day, everyone.